Here's a number that completely rewrites every single assumption you have about global digital security and encryption arrays. 10,000 kilometers, that is the exact length of China's live operational quantum communication network running right now. It is a functional infrastructure masterpiece that utilizes the absolute laws of quantum mechanics to make data interception not just difficult, not just incredibly expensive, but physically and mathematically impossible, not encrypted with standard mathematical formulas. Not password protected but fundamentally unhackable without instant automated detection. China's 10,000 kilometers unhackable quantum network to fully comprehend why China's massive quantum communication grid is genuinely immune to external exploitation. You must look at a core principle of quantum mechanics. When you observe a quantum system, you automatically change it. This is not a limitation of our current technological development, nor is it an engineering hurdle waiting to be resolved by future software updates. It is a foundational, absolute law of nature at the quantum scale. The very act of measurement is an act of physical disturbance. There is no physical pathway to read a quantum state without instantly altering its composition. And there is no way to alter it without that variation becoming immediately visible to network administrators. Traditional cybersecurity infrastructure functions under entirely different mathematical paradigms. When a global financial institution transmits encrypted files using traditional public key algorithms, that key is simply an exceptionally massive, highly complex prime number given immense parallel computing arrays. That mathematical law can theoretically be broken. The entire structural safety of the modern internet rests on the fragile assumption that no personal computer today can process the underlying mathematics fast enough to matter. However, quantum computing architectures are about to completely invalidate that assumption as a sufficiently powerful quantum process could easily dismantle legacy encryption frameworks within hours. China's expensive quantum network completely bypasses reliance on mathematical complexity. Instead, it utilizes quantum key distribution or QKD, where cryptographic keys are transmitted via individual, indivisible photons, which are the smallest localized particles of light. Because any attempt by an adversary to intercept or clone those photons collapses their delicate quantum state. Any eavesdropping trigger is automatically and instantly neutralized. The cryptographic message effectively destroys itself the moment an unauthorized observers attempts to read it. This is no longer an academic theory confined the clean rooms. It is deployed active commercial infrastructure winding across 10,000 kilometers of territory. This intense technological paradigm shift began in the year 2016 when a satellite named Mycius was launched from the Gobi Desert, marking the opening move of China's long-term quantum strategy. By January 2018, Mycius complete its first monumental milestone and intercontinental quantum encrypted video transmission connected Beijing and Vienna over a distance of 7,600 kilometers. While that 75-minute communication matrix was completely unhackable, it suffered from a major data rate bottleneck, taking nearly a month of processing to generate the required keys. To shatter this barrier, China launched Jinan 1 in 2025, the world's first micro-quantum satellite, reducing ground equipment footprints from 13 tons to less than 100 kilograms. Jinan 1 marks an unbelievable leap, producing secure keys up to 1,000 times faster than its massive predecessor. In March 2025, it established the world's longest satellite-to-ground quantum communications link, bridging 12,900 kilometers between Beijing and South Africa. Back on the ground, China's terrestrial network spans over 10,000 kilometers of custom fiber optics, operating 145 strategic backbone nodes across 17 provinces and 80 major cities. With over 150 high-profile enterprise customers, including state banks, regional power grids, and critical government operations, this secure network is a live commercial reality. Now, look at what the rest of the world has managed to deploy. In 2023, a network in Chattanooga, Tennessee, was unveiled as America's premier commercially available quantum link, spanning a total distance of just 8 kilometers with 10 connected nodes. While it stands as an admirable proof of concept, the immense structural disparity remains undeniable. The largest deployed system in the United States covers 8 kilometers, while China's operational footprint crosses 10,000 kilometers. Although Europe has mobilized its EuroQCI initiative across 27 member states, their infrastructure remains confined to localized test beds, with their first planned quantum communication satellite targeting a launch window around late 2026 or early 2027. This immense civilizational technology gap did not manifest by accident. It is the direct consequence of a highly coordinated Decision made in China's 2006 National Scientific Planning Logs, which elevated quantum control to a top-tier national mega project. This was further accelerated through successive five-year plans culminating in the 15 five-year plan approved in March 2026, which locked quantum architectures as the absolute highest priority among future strategic industries. Decades of unyielding state funding have constructed a localized ecosystem of research universities and specialized component manufacturing plants that Western democracies, with their short horizon political cycle and fluctuating research budgets, simply cannot easily replicate. This structural divergence poses an unprecedented geopolitical question as China builds toward a comprehensive quantum satellite constellation by 2027. It will begin offering unhackable communications arrays to its global allies. If an aligned state adopts this physical security architecture before Western networks can scale, will that infrastructure ideal D represent the ultimate sovereign security partnership or a deep geopolitical threat? Share your high-yield insights in the comments matrix below. Ensure your user profile remains subscribed to AI Revolution. Hit the notification bell and smash the like button to maintain absolute alignment with the bleeding edge of technological warfare. Join the AI revolution.